kasi sabihin na naman ng mga pro-China trolls, edited yung video natin. So pinakita talaga natin yung unspliced video, no? Na how China was able to find their way sa ganyang kalapit na yan and then started using their water cannon. Next slide. This was the PIP direct water cannon. Actually,